Well, it's Guns, Knives, and Watches, and this is just an update on my truck. So it was, of course, this green truck. It's a 1994 GMC that was totaled. It had, of course, running boards going down through it previously. It doesn't anymore. Has, of course, been fully painted, restored. Still have some work to do on it. It's got new windows because the previous wheels, of course, were damaged in the wreck. They were custom to this truck because this was, of course, a Southern Comfort designed truck. But as you can see, it's a little shiny. Of course, we had a rhino lining bed put on it. You can see the emblem right there. Of course, I've got chicken feed in the bag because this actually is a working truck, which is why it's got a rhino lining bed in it. I went ahead and put American Racing 15-inch wheels on it with some BF Goodrich light truck tires. But these are the performance tires. I went ahead and kept it with 15-inch just to keep it the period of the truck. And I didn't want to go too custom. Now, it actually has really been a fun project. And you can see the rhino lining bed there and all the other work that's been done. It really came out really good. Of course, it has a coffee and egg sticker on it. Now, in the actual building of this truck, and it's dirty right now, the tent got damaged, so we had to redo the tent. It has, of course, this is the interior. It has a Kenwood stereo in it now with that center section. You can see that's been replaced because it used to have a tape deck and an EQ there. And then the traditional radio has been taken out and there's a pocket there now. There's been a lot of other changes. Of course, under the hood, this truck is still, as you can see, the interior. Probably going to get some things done and changed in the interior a little bit, but we'll kind of see how that goes. See if I can get the hood to basically come open, and there's a trick to it. So you just have to know how to hold your this there or the other, or do your Fonzarelli thing. So anyway, it's still a pretty stock engine. It needs to be cleaned up, this, there, or the other. Haven't even addressed any of these issues yet. But as you can see, everything else about the truck has been really restored and done really well. Of course, it goes from one shop to another shop to another shop. Of course, I've got new gravel down, of course, out in front of the house, because there's about to be a huge, and there's Seneca. Hey, Seneca, you want to be on video, babe? Yes, I want to ignore you. Anyway, there's going to be a big storage container sitting right there next week to carry the stuff that comes out of my house. But the rhino line came out really well. Really happy with it. Plus, it's just, you know, something that I did just to protect the bed. Of course, this thing used to have rails that went down through here. Did not put those back on it. Just because they were really, had to have actually the holes and everything welded shut on here. So there was quite a bit of work more that went into this. If anybody remembers the old wreck, it of course destroyed this fiberglass rear panel. It dented the top of the cab and also destroyed the bottom. So they had to have a whole new door, had to rebuild this whole section here and actually refabricate part of that rear fender assembly. But as you can see, even dirty, and I'll go up and this there, that even dirty, this thing is so shiny. But unfortunately, with all of the stuff that's been going on, I have not been able to wash it for the video. But it's got some washes with an update to the 1994 GMC Truck. Have a good one.